just pick the spoon up. Woo. Oh yeah, dangerous Dan. Not very organised. Dangerous thing. Give that a little blast. Get that back up the heat, scrape the dross, fill them moulds. I really want to get made up one of those there's lots of things to trip over here. Get one of those pots made up for putting iron the allium. Instead of melting down the crucible, you stab the flame and it just flows out as it gets molten, you know, as it melts. Don't rush, don't rush. Made me jump. Clumsy, clumsy Dan. Dangerous, dangerous Dan. I'll change that to them tongs. Can't keep poking around with that horseshoe. Okay, we'll end it there for a sec. Right, we're back again. Right, what have we got in the swag bag? Swag. The little beauties. Hilarious. What? Struded. How very dare you? Ingots. I'm not stacking these up. I might spray them all gold and pretend they're brass. You know what I mean? Good. The glove cooled down a bit because it's got a bit hot. Burn your arm there. See, look, I wasn't ready again. We'll manage. We'll manage. Don't panic. Little bit too much. right. Save that. Whee! That damp concrete, that's what we got. See that pop there? That's why it's not really advisable to do it this time of year. Should I do a brass? If so, have I got to get that out of there first? It's hot enough to bath in, that is. Let's have a look, see what we got there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little baby one. Some coins. Check them out. I like this one, it actually looks like a bleeding muffin. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Don't go in the mud. How hot are these, you reckon? That hot potato hot, that's alright. Well, I'm going to let this melt down for a minute. Look, you can see my nuts hanging out there, look. Beautiful. It's hot. So I've got some bits of iron alley in there, a couple of bits that need stripping down, little pile of alley. Got the old iron bin. And we've got some more alley in the swag bag. Some more of them computers have been stripping down. So what I do is I save them, fill them up with all the little bits, all the little screws and bits and pieces. Works quite well. There, mate. Lista. What's going on in here then? Oh jeez. You know, I found my floor and then ended up pulling out loads of tools again. Oh, look at the mess around here, look. Piles of circuit board. All these flipping things to strip down yet. Power pack, CDs, ROMs out of computers, floppies. And that's my marker scrapping desk with all my stickers, look. Aren't they beautiful? All the lovely people. Might as well do a little mail call while I'm here. We've got an awesome package here. Oh, I'm going to do a video on fixing that to the bench, but that's from Everyday Solace, and that's a woodworking vice, and I can't wait to get that out. I have unpacked it and then put it back in, but you know what I mean, don't you? Oh, I can't wait. But I'm going to build a bench to go right across here. So I'm going to do away with that little table if anyone wants it. I'm going to build a proper bench, and I'll have all that space underneath for storage. That should be right. There's one of my carvings, look. Or two of my carvings. A few more bits and pieces that I've been carving. Some hearts. I think they might be going on something, yeah. What else we got? Hello, sunshine. That was a handle. That was just a little widgy thing I made. Widgery-woo, that is. Woo! All these little faces. Great, aren't they? That's what a dirt rider called a French tickler. Dirty boy. That's Victoria's moon, who's lost an eye. Whistling moon. Where's your eyeball, mate? There we go, there it is. That's better. Looks like a fish. Like an angel fish. Oh, I'm going to carve a fish. I'm going to carve a fish. A little pot of marker scrapping copper. A little pot of marker scrapping brass. There's all my silver contacts I've been saving up out of relays and things. There are thousands in there. Like literally thousands. Anyway guys, I'll speak to you in a bit. I think this brass is ready. Good, let's turn it down. About folding an elder. Got anything on there? So I've really scraped it off. Should be wearing a mask. That's hot. That's going to be hot. Fish this thing out of here, which I think is going to weigh about 3 kilos, you know. Yeah, that's heavy. Woo. Hoping these are going to cool down quick enough so I'll get a few of these. Wait for them to freeze over. Like that. Just gone. There we go. Come on. Hurry up, moving about. Cooling down too quick, so I'm going to pour the rest into there. Alright, not the rest of it. Yeah, look at the colour. It's even glowing. The mould, the back look bright red. Don't really want to rush it because I don't want to knock any detail off it, you know. It's rough enough as it is. That's alright, lovely shine to it. Will I get another one? Yep. This will probably be for remelting this bit. Oh, look at all that rubbish. Anyway, 4 good coins. That's a lovely colour. A bit of rubbish. A nice big. I reckon it's over 2 kilos, that one. Let's get some of these in some water. Look at the colour on that, look. It's like golden. I don't think we're going to do anything with that. Apart from remelt it. Pretty cool little nugget though. Let's see what happens. Could be a keeper. I don't know if this will come out yet. Oh, look at that. Straight out. You ready, guys? Have a little nugget, look. Look at that water. In there. Need to put a little drain here. This every time it rains, it always builds up with water. We've got a little soakaway over there, which goes into the garden. All I've got to do is cut a channel through this. That might do it. Only 2 inches. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Some of my best, these ones. Look, look. Flipping Nora. Let's see if we can pick you up. Look at these, look. Look at a little smiley face on there. Not bad backs. You're going to have some pattern, aren't you? I'm not a professional. Look at that one, mate. Look at that. Little smiley face on this, it. SMD. Scrap man down. So we've got some coins. These are the little nuggets, look. Aren't they funny little things, aren't they? So what I'll probably do is remelt those. Same as that one. Unless somebody wants it. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So what we got here then? So we move them down because we got six of them, and then we got a couple of them. One that looks like a little loaf of bread, and we've got some little nuggets, some brassy goodness, everyday solids, brassy goodness. But my word, look at this. Oh, can you hear that plinking? That's awesome, man. Easy 2 kilos. And we got this little one. Look at that. Woo! Look at the pan, look at the colour. Jeez, man. And we got some sweet coins. Get out of it. Got some nuggets, got some Ali. But look at that one. Look at that colour. Wow. So there you go. In the furnace. It's my homemade furnace. Crucible's nice and clean. So then we got to get in there once that cools down and get all them little nuggets out. It's holding up quite well. We've had a good old few burns out of this, so yeah, I'm happy. Right, same again. I need a cup of tea. Oh, my daughter made me one of that. Nice cup of tea. Right, thank you for joining us, guys, and love you all. Catch you later. Bye bye.